Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Today, October the 22nd. Guys, the sell signal is flashing. Before we start, before this video will start, guys, look at this. This is my live stream, and on the live stream here is the daily time frame here on the downside. Every candle is 1 day, and you can see it here. We saw at the beginning of this pump the buy signal. Now, attenzione, attention, Achtung, Achtung, the sell signal is flashing. What does it mean? What's going on? And what's going on with Solana? This is the thing we will tell you about. We will talk about, guys. Sorry, let's talk about this. Let's go. So let's start smooth. This is TradingView. This is the daily from TradingView, and this is telling us for the moment we should buy Bitcoin. The 4 hours are telling us buy Bitcoin. The 2 hours, interesting. 2 hours neutral as the Switzerland. Yes, we're going down a little bit. And the 1 hour is on buy. So guys, what's going on? What's going on with the sell signal? What's going on with Bitcoin? Before we start, we are starting with this one here. Here's CoinMarketCap. And you can see for CoinMarketCap, the top 100 coins. And Bitcoin is going down a little bit, 3.3% in the minus. Ethereum is going down 4.6%. The Binance coin is also going down a little bit. Cardano is going down a little bit. And Solana is mooning. Yes, our Solana long is working really nice. I will show you a short update here in some seconds. Before we start, this is our dominance for Bitcoin. We saw a nice upgoing dominance, and here we had the big problem. First of all, we had here the resistance. We saw spikes over the resistance, but, and I told you, attention, we have here our Fibonacci line 0.236, 47% 7. And after this, we saw a spike to the downside. This was the time to trade altcoins. This was the time to trade Ethereum, Solana, and the other altcoins, and it was a nice trade. Now, what's going on? Is this now the bottom? Is this middle line now, this blue line, our big support? And will we see the next fight to the upside? This would be the time for Bitcoin. So, let's go. Guys, first of all, here is Solana. Here's our long position for Solana. And everyone who joined my long position, who joined my video, congratulations to you guys to make this long trade, because this is working really nice now. It was a buy-in about 164. After this, a nice long to the upside. Now we have a problem on this middle line. And guys, I told you, this middle line is a really big problem because it is a resistance. But for the moment, we are under this middle line, and we are building on the 1 hour time frame. Every candle is 1 hour. This triangle, the next little triangle. The big question is now, can we break out from this triangle to the upside? This would be great. The next thing is 216, because this is the next Fibonacci line. And guys, here is my big target to the upside. 250 or $260, something about this. 257, 258 is the technical target for the triangle breakout. The triangle is this great triangle here on the left side. We broke it to the upside, and this is the target to the upside. So we will see what's going on for Solana. I'm still in a long position. It's a really nice long position. I made it on Bybit with a leverage X10, and it's mooning. Yes, guys, that's great. So now, guys, let's check Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin video, and this is now a big thing we have to watch, because we are watching now on my live stream. I told you here on my live stream on the downside, this sell signal. Yes, it is here. A long time ago, we saw no sell signals, day after day after day, a nice pump. Now we see a sell signal. Guys, attention, attention. If we check this on Bitcoin, we can see, yes, we lost our uptrend here. We lost our parallel channel here, and we are now down off this parallel channel. But guys, our last hope now is this one. It is this identicator, and let me show you this identicator. It's the Ichimoku sorry guys, I must say it. Ichimoku It's really hard for me. It's a Ichimoku I know, guys. Sorry, guys. It's a Ichimoku indicator. So, guys, sorry, I'm not cutting this one. It's me. It's Biti. Sorry, guys. So the indicator Ichimoku, this one is telling us we are now on support. It was a perfect hit. What is this line is in this indicator? I would not tell you the details of this indicator for the moment. The important stuff is, guys, what is this blue line? What the hell, and why is this support holding? If you're zooming in a little bit more, you can see it was a really perfect spike here on this blue line. Guys, let me tell you, this Ichimoku indicator, yes, indicator, I'm learning, this is a 9 lengths indicator. That means we have here the 9 last candles, and this line, this blue line, is the indicator for the 9 last candles, not for the highest point, not for the lowest point, for the middle point of this. And it's similar, it's maybe a little bit similar to the ribbon band, but it's a difficult one. It's from Ichimoku, and we are watching this now because this line is holding for the moment really, really well on the daily time frame. So guys, in my opinion, as long as this point 61,900 is holding for Bitcoin, we have hope that we see not a bigger correction here. So guys, I hope you are still in a long position. If you sold here because we lost our uptrend channel, okay, we're out of this. For the moment, we are fighting. For the moment, we are retesting this uptrend. This is also not the best thing, I know it, guys. But maybe we have so much volume here, we have so much buy power here. Maybe we can move on here to the upside. Maybe we can move on to all these resistances to the upside. And it's possible as long as 61,900 is holding. If this will fall, if 61,900 will fall, guys, I will make here a take profit. And I will move some money out of Bitcoin here, and not all. I'm still in a really big long position, but I will take some profit here if we will fall here, because I would like to buy back if you're going down here to maybe this one. This is 57,000. A lot of guys are talking about 57,000. Yes, it's possible. We saw a big spike to the upside. We have to take deep breaths. It's healthy for Bitcoin to take deep breaths here on 57,000 maybe, and then the next leg to the upside. So guys, you know now the positions. The time is over for this update. Let me check the time frame, what it is. It's okay, 6 minutes. Okay, no guys, we have some more minutes. Okay guys, let's check the next thing, because this is also really important. This is the daily time frame. Let's check the ribbon band. What is telling us the ribbon band before we end this video? Indicators and ribbon. Here we are. This is the where it is EMA ribbon. Here it is. So EMA ribbon band on the downside, a lot of space to the downside, but let's check the 4-hour time frame, and here we are in the fight with this ribbon band. This is not good, guys. We saw here a big fight with the ribbon band, but we saw no confirmed closing candle under the ribbon band. So guys, as long as we are in the ribbon band, fighting in the ribbon band, everything is okay. We need to fight back the ribbon band. We need to see a confirmed closing candle over the ribbon band. And you can see we are fighting here extreme with this uptrend channel. Here you can see it. We are now a little bit under this uptrend. Here we saw a confirmed closing candle over it with a long wick to the downside. That's positive. Now we are here fighting extreme bad fight with this uptrend channel here, with this parallel channel, guys. What's going on with the RSI? Let's check this one on the 4-hour time frame, relative strength index. And okay, we are here on the middle, 50 points, not overbought, not oversold, not on a big support, nothing special here. Let me check the 1 hour. 1 hour, we saw a really low RSI, not oversold, but on 30 points. We are going up a little bit. We saw here resistance line, and we are now over this resistance line. This is positive. We broke this resistance line to the upside, so everything can happen now, guys. Everything is possible now. I told you, if we can move on to the upside, we need to stay in the parallel channel. We need to fight back 65,000, because this is a really big resistance, all-time high resistance. The next one is here. This line, you can see it here. We saw a spike and a fight, but no confirmed closing candle. So maybe here 67,000 is the next big move if we can go on. Guys, remember, weekend is coming. Sunday is coming. Most Sundays are bloody. Attention. We need to watch this, what's going on. Okay, guys? This is the update for Bitcoin. This is the little update for Solana, guys. And thanks for watching. And guys, it doesn't matter if you go long, if you go short. I wish you make millions out there with your trade. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Thank you so much. Last but not least, Freak Jojo, thank you so much. You are my top supporter number 1 for this week. Place number 2 for the moment, Crypto Sharknado, and place number 3, Troll Maguli Juti. Thank you guys for supporting me, and also thank you, Ryan, in real life, for your big support here. Every week here you are supporting me, and remember, here on the downside, sell is flashing, guys. Keep this in your mind. Attention. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye, guys.
System activated.